Thank you for letting me know that. I was sitting here talking away. I was saying the truth. Breaks aren't for everybody. It is a gamble, but we do appreciate you giving us a chance. And then I was just saying, guess the last auto on this for 20 credit. What else? I don't know what else I was saying. But good luck to everybody. I've just been talking this whole time. Talking to myself into the void. Cedric Mullins, Blue Illumination. That does not have a number on it. We have an auto there. That's why I went right to these, I guess. Sorry for being muted, guys. Good luck to everybody. Kansas City is the last team we have, so if anybody wants to grab them, do it now, or they did have, unless somebody ended up getting them. Without me knowing here, Randy Arozarena. Cutter Crawford rookie. Julio Urias. Yeah, that's exactly what I was talking about. Reed Detmers. Yuli Gurriel. John Gray. King Griffey Jr. Wow, look at this one. Look at the names all the way down at the bottom. Not good centering on that one. Top to bottom. It's actually one of the worst I've ever seen. But at least his nameplate's on there. It's kind of cool being rare like that. Jose Abreu. Oh, and then we got a purple shimmer. Jeff McNeil. Any Jeff McNeil fans on the Mets there? 5 out of 7 on the Jeff McNeil purple shimmer. It looks like we got a shimmer auto coming up. Guess the last auto for 20, guys. Oh, we got a green shimmer. This green wave. This is a little different. Giovanni Moran. That is out of 5. 4 out of 5. That's not the shimmer. What is that version? I don't remember seeing that before. 4 out of 5. Let's go into Minnesota. Yeah, that's cool for Seattle having Griffey in there. I don't know if he has any autos, though. That Moran auto might be my favorite card. I like that green, and the pattern on it's pretty cool there. Otto Lopez rookie. Jake Myers rookie. Edovalde. There's Bobby Witt. They might get Kansas City. We got Bobby Witt there. Trevor Rogers. Luis Gill. Jose Abreu. Oh, we got another auto already. We'll save it for the end of that pack. Kyle Lewis. What is the deal? That's another Seattle card. Look at that. The way they printed those. I've never seen something like that. Ronald Acuna red. Reds are not numbered. Yeah, I was muted there for a while. You might be a little behind on the. But yeah, I was just talking to myself here. Oh, or Josh Donaldson. Got Marcus Semien. Fearless plus an auto here. And it is a base auto of Kyle Muller for the Braves. Atlanta Braves, Kyle Muller. Non-numbered auto. Is that what the other one was? A green wave? Is that what they call that? I just don't remember seeing those before. There's Bobby Witt. Yeah, that'll be awful if we get, right? Because that's 2 Seattle cards in a row that have been hugely off center. Jake McCarthy, Glenn Otto, Christian Yelich, Brian Reynolds, Sandy Alcantara, Riley Adams, Rafael Devers, Josh Bell, Juan Marichal for San Francisco, Fearless Manny Machado. Now look at this. Cut off the team down at the bottom. Then it's got like the top. It's hard to see. It's got like the bottom of another card there. Nathan Edovalde, blue. The blues are not numbered either. Blues and reds like this are not numbered. Boston. Quality control of this box. There's an emergent Walker Buehler. Not very good. So hopefully none of the big hits are like that. That'll be frustrating. Oh man, Rob's just getting all the mutilated cards. Congrats on that. Tyler Gilbert. Bryson Stott. There's Moran again. Catfish Hunter. Didn't know there was Catfish Hunter in here. Tim Anderson. Francisco Lindor. And we got a Met. Do you have the Mets too, Rob? Because it's another one of those top to bottom, horribly centered. Illumination. And then it's got stained glass up the top of somebody and cutting off the team there. For the Cubs, Red Shimmer Old School Ryan Sandberg. That's going to be out of 7, 2 out of 7. Yeah, this is actually one of the worst boxes of any product we've had, I think. Consistently. There's Garrett Cole, Silver Emergent. So far, it's just been the base and base inserts, so that's a plus. Another red, non-numbered Nick Lodolo, team color, Cincinnati Reds. Nice one for the Reds. Then we have Alex Bregman, Stargazing. Casey Mize. Luke Williams, rookie. Ryan Mountcastle. Seiya Suzuki for the Cubs, rookie. Curtis Terry. TJ Friedel. Andrew Jackson. Hans Kraus, rookie. There's another one of them for Philly. All the Fearless inserts again. Let's go to Cleveland, and we got Purple Cracked Ice, Aaron Nola. That is out of 25, 15 out of 25 going to Philly. Philly's one of those teams in the breaks we always seem to hit some low-numbered cards, though. Silver Illumination, Salvador Perez. At least this one's cut properly. Edward Cabrera rookie class. Last pack here. Edward Cabrera rookie. Jake Berger. Jeremy Pena. Austin Riley. Mackenzie Gore rookie. DeGotti rookie. Soto. Fortes rookie. Yepes. Another one of those off center. Old school Carl Yastrzemski. It's cut at the bottom. Riley Adams red for the Washington. And we got a slugger, Adolis Garcia. And our next pack. Eloy Jimenez. Justin Verlander. Walker Buehler. Bryce Harper. Brian Hayes. Jake Cousins rookie. Anthony Rizzo. Stroman on the poorly cut card. And this might be the bottom part of the stained glass. There's an illumination up top. Another terribly cut card. We got the gold Ichiro for Seattle. That one's cut properly. It's centered really well. That is out of 100, 26 out of 100. That makes up for the other Seattle hits. I guess that's really the first Seattle hit, the other Seattle cards. And a blue Bobby Witt Jr. for Kansas City. Well centered there. Team colors. They were sitting out there. Jake Myers. Guess the last auto, guys, for 20 in credit. If you're watching, you did not have to be in the break to guess. I don't know how many more autos we have left. Glass now, Ramirez, Rex, rookie, Snell, Corey Seager. Another Fearless messed up for Atlanta. Silver Shimmer. Got an auto here. Ian Happ, red. Cedric Mullins Fireworks. Let's say that auto off to the side because I cannot remember. Let me see how many autos. This was only 3 autos. I think that is our 3rd auto. Let me double check here. The 1, 2, yeah. So that should be our 3rd final auto. I'll save it to the side. We got the Silver Shimmer above it. And we have had extra autos in boxes of Prizm before. Chris Bryant, Patrick Mazeika, Baez, Moncada, Hunter Green rookie, Willie McCovey, Santillan rookie, Pagero rookie. There's another messed up one, Jeff McNeil for the Mets. Old school Frank Thomas miscut. There's a silver Bobby Witt Jr. What a box this has been for Bobby Witt. Got the blue, silver, and base. Shohei Ohtani. Jose Siri. Mike Bauman. Kyle Tucker. Jacob Robson. Yanni Hernandez. Charlie Blackmon. Miguel Cabrera. Adolis Garcia. Aaron Judge, off center. Xander Bogaerts, illumination, cut or off center. Rafael Devers, red for Boston. Championship stage, Clayton Kershaw. Two packs left, plus our last auto. Got another shimmer coming up. Nick Lodolo, rookie. Ian Happ. Rodolfo Castro, rookie. Henderson, Bogarts, Sanchez, Strider, rookie. Old school Ryan. And a King Griffey Jr. shimmer. That looks to be centered pretty well as well. 3 out of 7 on the King Griffey Jr. Awesome one there. Oh, what am I doing? Nice one there for the Seattle spot. Blue Mojo, Alex Verdugo out of 199, 60 out of 199. Yeah, that was a clean one for Seattle. Who's got Seattle? Is that Juan? I don't think Juan's here tonight. Verdugo, well, I think he'll be happy with the hits he got. Whit Merrifield for Kansas City, blue. Hans Kraus, rookie class. And our next pack. Ooh, we got another auto. Maybe the first off line has an extra auto. I don't know if I've. So this is our last auto. So I'll reveal the other auto for that. Seth Beer, Joe Ryan, Alexander Wells, Cody Wilson, Jesse Winker, Pete Alonso, O'Neill Cruz, Matt Manning, Curtis Terry from Minnesota. Nice silver. That looks really well centered. Clean card. And Freddie Freeman championship stage insert. All right, so we'll reveal this auto, and then we have one more. We just double check, make sure that, yeah, that's an auto there. Max Kranick on the Silver Shimmer. Pretty well centered. 5 out of 7. Rookie for Pittsburgh. And then we got an auto coming up. For the Atlanta Braves, rookie Spencer Strider. Base auto. Nice hit there. He's up for Rookie of the Year. Nice one. Spencer Strider for Atlanta. Then we have Matt Olson covering up the illumination there, covering up our last auto. Anybody guess this one? We'll see. It's a Silver Shimmer for Texas, Joe Barlow. Anybody guess Joe Barlow? I highly doubt it. 4 out of 7 for Texas. Nice one there for the Texas spot. Joe Barlow on the Silver Shimmer auto. All right, let's do a recap. We'll get all the autos separated out of here. Got a lot of shimmers. I love first off the line Prizm baseball. A lot of hits in that. Auto. Shimmer. So we had 4 autos in here. Do with everything. All right, here we go. Sorry, guys. Just trying to sort these a little better. We had the blue illumination for Cedric Mullins. That's not numbered. Curtis Terry silver. Blue Whit Merrifield non-numbered. Verdugo was out of 199. Devers red not numbered. Bobby Witt silver rookie. Ian Happ red. The reds are not numbered. Bobby Witt blue, that will not be numbered. Ichiro gold out of 100. 26 out of 100. Riley Adams red. Silver illumination Salvador Perez. Nick Lodolo red. Silver emergent Garrett Cole. Blue Nathan Edavali. Bobby Witt Jr. base. Red Ronald Acuna. Aaron Nola purple cracked ice out of 25. 15 out of 25. Ken Griffey Jr. silver shimmer 3 out of 7. Nice clean card that is. Kranick silver shimmer 5 out of 7. Old school Ryan Sandberg for the Cubs 2 out of 7. Jeff McNeil purple shimmer for the Mets 5 out of 7. Then we have the Spencer Strider base auto for the Braves. Kyle Muller, oh yeah, you had both of the rookie pitchers. Kyle Muller base auto for the Braves. Then Moran with the green wave 4 out of 5. That's going to, who was that? Minnesota, yep. And then Joe Barlow for Texas on the silver shimmer 4 out of 7. All right, guys. That'll do it for us tonight. We will be back Monday. I'll get these sorted and shipped out by Monday. And then I'll combine them with any of the breaks from the rest of this week. And then next week's I'll combine towards the end of the week, guys. So if you guys want to hop back in any breaks next week, we have a list up. We do have some spots left in some of them. We'll be posting more breaks as well. Or if you guys just want to stop by, say hi, do some guesses, try to earn some credit,